Welcome back to the Violet Flora Tarot. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. We are going to be doing Accurate AF Tarot. I don't know much about this deck. I actually haven't even opened this yet. I just took it out of the plastic. It's a cute little box. Very cute. It's got the shiny gold, which you know I love. Little moons on the side. It's the back. All right, let's crack it open. All right, how do I open this? Oh, got it. All right, so beautiful. It's a little smaller than I thought it was, but that's just a little tidbit from me. Ooh. Oh, that's so cute. The seller left me a little note. That's really sweet. I love when they leave little notes. Okay, so first impression. They're smaller than I thought, and I kind of love the way they feel in my hand. This is actually my first circular deck. I've never interacted with or read with a circular deck. There's a Rider-Waite one that's circular, but I have so many versions of the Rider-Waite, I don't think I needed it, but we'll see. Maybe it'll come, maybe it'll come in handy one day. All right, so let's get started. So let's go, let's jump in. The Fool. They're pretty thin. I'm really loving the art. I'm liking this watercolor look. And I love the gold. It's almost got an element of like, it's almost like a little abstract, like the backgrounds. Oh, I dropped them. They're pretty thin. Here's the back of the card. It's got the little moons. You know I love the shiny, so I already said that. What I really like about this deck is that at the bottom it has keywords. This is actually the most adorable chariot with a little magic carpet. Obsessed. Love. So this one is strength, fortitude, vitality, and courage. It's got the two little lions at the bottom. Ooh, look at the Wheel of Fortune. It's pretty magical looking. Ooh, look at the big amethyst. This one's called Metamorphosis. Oh, this must be the death card. Profound change and self-awareness. This deck, it feels like it has a lot of wisdom. That's the vibe I'm getting from it. I like decks that have like an element of being a little abstract with watercolors, because it makes it feel like, for me, my intuition can, are these stuck together? My intuition can kind of come through a little differently. Shadow. I'm gonna go Tower. So the depictions on the card are different from the Rider-Waite. It's very cool nonetheless. I like the blue. the blue cups. 4 cups. I like that they have the keywords this way. I don't typically like the Rider-Waite's that have the keywords at the bottom, like, you know, the ones that you see on Amazon. I don't love those. But I like the keywords at the bottom because something about, as a reader, when your eyes land on a certain image in the card or the keyword at the bottom, it helps with the messages coming through. It communicates clearly. Okay, this is my favorite card so far. 10 of Cups. The rainbow, the ocean, abundance, and attainment. Love it. I'm gonna put it over to the side because it's my fave. Spirit of Cups. Okay, this must be the... Oh, this must be the page. Wait. I'm gonna have to look at the book. Okay, switching to Wands. I would recommend this deck to, I would say, intermediate to advanced, experienced readers. That's just my take, just because the art, the images are a little bit more abstract. Crystals. Frustration and opposition. But I think having a really solid knowledge of the meaning of the cards before using this deck, that's what I would recommend as a reader. But people can do whatever they want, whatever feels right. 8 of Wands. I like the rainbow again. Let me know below if you've ever read with this deck or if you own it. I don't know if I have to cover this up. I guess I will, just to be safe. So it goes... Oh, okay, so 10, then it goes Dawn. That must be the page. The Spirit must be Knight. Then you have Queen. And then King. This deck is a must for any tarot lovers collection. I'm going to go ahead and say that. It's a must. I'm very happy to have it amongst my collection for sure. When I get a deck and I'm opening it up and I'm reading with it, I'm going to have to connect with it more, especially this one, and get more familiar with the wording and the images. I also like to bless my decks. Would love to know what you guys do with a new deck and how you connect with it. I love the clouds. It's very, very mystical. I like the snake, because the 10 of Swords is usually like a backstabby energy, or it can be, with that snake. Let me see what it says. Karmic lessons, only upwards. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to cover this one too, just to be safe. Certain body parts need to be covered. It's beautiful. Ace of Rings. This must be Pentacles. I don't think this came with a guidebook. I didn't see it in there. This one. Okay, I'm going to cover it. And then we have the King of Rings. These are my two favorite. The Eight of Wands and the Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups is the winner for my favorite card of this deck. I think it's so, so, so beautiful. Okay, let's give it a shuffle because, you know, we got to know how the cards feel. Again, we have the golden edges. They feel okay shuffling. Like I said, they're a little thin, but it's not too thin. Okay. I like this deck. I like this deck a lot. I am satisfied. Okay, so that was the Accurate AF Tarot. Stay tuned for more unboxing. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video. We're going to do readings. And like this video if you had a good time. All right, see you soon. Bye.